Luke Edwin here. Today I'm talking about how to use your GoPro 360 camera to transform your world into a tiny planet, and then how to spin it and have you running on it like a treadmill. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but check this out. So this is how it's done. You take your GoPro, you mount it on a tripod or something so it can be sitting there on the ground. You take about 2 steps back from it, and then you start running in circles around it. Try to stay the same distance from the camera as you run in circles. Once you're done taking the video, transfer the files from your GoPro onto your smartphone. Once you're in the GoPro app, you can select the video you want to work with. Once the video's open, we can select an aspect ratio. I'm going to go with 16:9 and hit the check mark. Now, if we pinch and zoom, and we can drag the planet down and make it into a circle. Get that nicely centered and click on the keyframe to confirm it. Now we can hit the play button. See, I step back there and I start running. So I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning, right before I start running. Click on the timeline to add a keyframe, drag the timeline to scrub forward, and I'm going to go forward until I'm at the bottom of the planet here. Now I'm going to rotate the planet until I'm back on the top and create a keyframe. Now we can keep playing the video until I'm back at the bottom of the planet again. Rotate the planet, click on the keyframe. So now we've made a full rotation, but we need to go back to the timeline and select a transition setting, and we want to switch this to linear. We can scrub forward in the timeline and select linear for each of our keyframes. Once that's done, hit the done button and you can play the video. And that is how you make a tiny planet using your GoPro MAX 360 camera. Sadly, it doesn't rotate perfectly smooth. The keyframes, it just kind of has an issue in the app. I'm hoping that GoPro will roll out an update for the app that'll allow you to do this effect a lot easier and have it be a smoother motion, because you can kind of see it slows down as it gets to each keyframe, and I'm hoping in the future they'll fix that. Also, it would be really nice if they came out with a PC version of the program, but right now we're stuck just using the apps on our phone. So things aren't perfect, but this is the best we can do with the technology that we have right now with the GoPro, and hopefully that will be getting better soon. Make sure to check out my other videos right here. Check out my Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, wherever social medias you like to follow. Those are in the description below. I'm making videos almost every day, so make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on the videos, and I'll see you guys next time.